What is the WBS role in Agile epics and backlogs? Imagine trying to build a complex puzzle without knowing what the final picture looks like. That's where a work breakdown structure, or WBS, comes into play. It helps break down big projects into smaller, manageable pieces. In traditional projects, the WBS defines all the work needed to complete the project. But in Agile, it takes on a slightly different role. When starting a project, the WBS helps clarify what needs to be done by dividing the scope into larger chunks called epics. These are big pieces of work that deliver significant value or functionality. Think of an epic as a major chapter in a book. Each epic then gets broken down further into smaller parts called user stories or backlog items. These are the tasks that teams work on during each sprint or iteration. The main job of the WBS in Agile is to give a clear picture of the overall scope. It shows all the big features or goals that the project aims to achieve. This helps everyone understand what the project includes and what it doesn't. It also helps in organizing work hierarchically. The top level shows the large features, and the lower levels show detailed tasks or user stories. This makes it easier to see how different pieces fit together and what depends on what. Another key role of the WBS is to support planning and prioritization. By breaking work into smaller parts, teams can decide which features are most important based on business value, risk, or dependencies. For example, if a new app needs a login feature, the WBS helps identify that as an epic. Then it gets broken into user stories like create login screen and implement password reset. Teams can prioritize these stories to deliver the most value early. The WBS also helps teams deliver work in small, manageable chunks. Instead of trying to do everything at once, teams focus on completing specific user stories within each sprint. This aligns well with Agile goal of incremental delivery. It allows for feedback and adjustments along the way, making the project flexible and adaptable. Ownership is another important aspect. Each part of the WBS can be assigned to a team or individual. This creates clear responsibility for each epic or backlog item. It improves communication and accountability, making sure everyone knows what they are responsible for. Unlike traditional WBS that is fixed early on, Agile WBS is flexible. As the project progresses, teams can refine and reprioritize work based on new information or changing needs. This dynamic nature helps keep the scope aligned with business goals and customer needs. In practical terms, project managers use the WBS during project initiation to set a scope baseline. This baseline guides the development of the Agile backlog, ensuring it covers all necessary work. It also helps identify dependencies and potential risks early, so they can be managed effectively. To sum up, the WBS acts as a bridge between traditional scope planning and Agile execution. It structures large initiatives into epics and smaller backlog items, making work easier to plan, prioritize, and track. It provides a clear framework that supports flexibility while keeping the project focused on delivering value. This way, project managers can better control scope, manage risks, and help teams stay aligned with project goals.